With the My IMO app, you have full control over your IMO robotic lawnmower, anytime, anywhere. You can use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to conveniently operate and configure your robotic mower. With our Evo models, you can even control the IMO over a cellular network and, for example, change the settings or even locate your small garden assistant if someone steals it. Other features of the My IMO app are the individually adjustable cutting height. The look of your lawn is entirely up to you. Do you want to work in your garden on a Saturday? No problem at all, thanks to the mowing plan function. Simply draw up a weekly plan for the automatic activation of the IMO, entirely according to your wishes. But what if you want to combine your garden work and IMO's mowing? Then the next feature is just right for you. Mowing zones. Simply split your lawn into zones. That way, your IMO will only mow a certain part of the lawn, leaving you free to work on another section. The behavior of the robotic lawnmower in relation to the perimeter wire can also be easily controlled via the app. Adapt the IMO to your garden and define how far it should mow over the perimeter wire. You set the limits. Download our My IMO app now and benefit from the full range of functions of the robotic mower. Remote control, smart home integration, and other unique features await your discovery. Customize your IMO now with the help of the My IMO app.